Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Subodh Rawat, and today we are talking about a full body conditioning workout where we're going to be working on your core, your upper body muscles, and also your legs. So guys, first movement is push up to squat. Jisme we are working on your upper body plus your legs. Okay, this is a little complex movement, so make sure we are performing this perfectly. And second movement is jumping mountain climbers, which is for your full body conditioning. You'll also feel your core burning while doing this. And third and final movement is lying knee hugs, where we're going to be focusing completely on the core, your abs. Right? So let's start. So guys, we are starting the workout. We are starting with some warm up. Okay, so first gonna be, we are doing some jumping jacks for 20 seconds. So make sure you have a timer with you for 20-second jumping jack. Standing straight. Guys, and now guys, second 20 seconds of high knees. Standing straight, knees up. Keep breathing. Time now for some mobility before starting the workout. So guys, mobility is very important to prevent yourself from getting injured. First mobility, we'll start with cobra to mountain. Okay, guys, please follow me. You're gonna be on the floor. Lie down on the floor on your chest. Hands on the side of your chest. Legs are down. Now, let's get the chest up by extending your elbows. Look up. That's cobra. Push your hips up. Heels down on the floor. And your chest down. That's mountain. Back to cobra. To mountain again. So second mobility for 30 seconds again is air squats. For that, your legs gonna be slightly wider than your hips. Okay, like this, toes pointing slightly out. Now slight bend on the knees, hips back and down. Hips going slightly below the knees like this, and stand up straight. Again down. And down, up, down, up. Throughout the movement, keep your chest up. Let's talk about third mobility again for 30 seconds. It is shoulder taps, right? For that, you'll again go on the floor, on the ground in a high plank position. That is palms right under the shoulder and body in straight line. Make sure the hips are not going down like this. Should be in one line. Now from this position, tap, down, tap, down, tap, down, tap, down. Slow and easy. No need to do this. Okay, slow. Core tight, core tight. Hips shouldn't be moving.
Audio Jungle.
The format today is AMRAP. That is as many rounds as possible. Okay, in 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, we are doing as many rounds as possible of the round which has 3 movements. Okay, so 3 movements हमारे. First is push up to squat. Second is jumping mountain climbers. And third is lying knee hugs. Okay, and 10 reps each of every movement. That makes you 1 round. We have to get as many rounds as possible in 15 minutes. 1-5. Okay, so guys, beginners will try and get 7 rounds of this. And if you're advanced, if you're regular with your training, you'll try and get more than 10 rounds. Let's start the workout. First one is squat to push up. Down in a high plank position. That is palms gonna be right under the shoulder, body in straight line. We'll go for a push up and come up and jump forward near your palms and stand up straight. Again, go down like this squat. Palms again go down. Go back, push up again. Come up. So guys, if you're a beginner, guys, this is tough for you. Push-ups are tough for you. You can also go for knee down push-ups. So वो कैसे करेंगे? Knees down, go all the way down, come up, knees up. One forward, other forward. Stand up straight. Squat, palms down. One back, other back. Then knees down. A push-up. Okay, so if you're a beginner, you can also do this. So guys, let's do 10 reps of this movement. Okay. Second movement is jumping mountain climbers. Okay, for that again you'll go down in a high plank position. Like this, right? From this position, one leg on the side of your palm, right? From this position, you have to switch and take your other leg forward, check. Like this. Again guys, beginner, जो लोग beginner है guys, they'll go for normal mountain climbers. That is, you'll try and bring your knee close to your elbow. How? Right? Easy guys. Right? Again guys, 10 reps of this. 10 means 10 on each side. Let's go. Guys, third movement, lying knee hugs. Okay? Let's go. Lie down flat on the floor, on your back, legs straight and extended, hands overhead. Right, from this position, you have to hug your knees. Bring your knees closer and hug. Check. Extend. Right, 10 reps of this. Let's go. Exhale when you're coming close to your knees. This one is tough guys, you'll feel it on your core. So guys, it is going to be intense. So 15 minutes of this AMRAP, that means you're going to be taking minimum rest. Make sure ऐसे नहीं है कि आप एक राउंड कर रहे हो उसका बहुत ज़्यादा रेस्ट कर रहे हो. Guys, एक राउंड करने के बाद just try and take around 20-30 second rest. That's it. And again, start the workout. बहुत ज़्यादा tired हो या फिर out of breath हो रहे हो तभी रुक के. So try and breathe. Inhale, exhale. Also make sure guys during the whole workout, all movements, you keep breathing. Keep breathing. ऐसे नहीं कि रोक रहे हो आप सांस रोक के उसके बाद workout कर रहे हो. So keep breathing. It helps, right? You need to get some oxygen in the lungs. After the workout, make sure you give yourself 5 to 10 minutes to do some good stretching. Also, just lie down on the floor and give yourself 2 minutes to just completely lie down and cool down the body so that your heartbeat can get back to normal, your breathing can get back to normal. After that, do some light stretching on full body, right? So guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe the channel. Also guys, please let me know in the comments below the type of workout videos or equipment videos you want in the channel, so that if you give me suggestions, I can be more helpful to you guys. So guys, that's it for now. Stay fit and keep working out. Thank you.